Yeah, good morning everyone. This is my vlog. Stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe. Good morning. Good morning everyone. Mag-across the road tayo. It's 4:15 na po. Hapon. Maaga akong umalis. Naabutan ko yung before doon sa 4:39 na dating ng bus. Naabutan ko yung not totally naabutan. Malapit na pero hindi ko tinakbo. 4:15. May dumadaan pala doon na 4:15. So, ayun everyone, medyo matagal ako. Kaya, dito. So, kaya umalis ako ng 4:15 dito. So, ayun. Good morning everyone. Today is Thursday, 8th of August. Yun lang everyone. At mamaya na after my walking and one bus and another walk. Bye everyone. What a week's day. Good morning everyone. Ang aga na amin, 5:50 nandito na kami. Coffee time mo, ha? Oh yes, please, thank you. Good morning. After 3 hours, I'm going on the other side in the old way, the side gate, because I've been to Delia, my supervisor before. Delia is now in the office, the highest rank. So, introduce to you, everyone. This is the side gate. This is the open gate for 24, not really 24 hours. They close this at 12, I think, and then they open before 5 o'clock. Or yeah, that's it at the moment, and see you later after one bus. I'll take one bus just for today. Oh, I straight ahead to my cabin. I'd rather walk alone, not with my colleague, because they are rushing, and my feet is forcing in walking as fast as they. So I'd prefer to walk alone. Yeah, and I don't want to because I suffered a pain to my feet if I force walk too much. Walking too much. Yeah, there's a pain on my foot. The reason why I just yun may sakit sa loob, kaya yun yung pagkaka-accident sa Pilipinas, merong something. Yun lang everyone, and see you later after one bus. Bye at the moment. Ayun, good evening sa kanila. Dito sa akin ay tanghalian ko. Ang aking tanghalian, nagluto ko ng sinangag, bacon, and talong na very long. Hindi po very long ang talong dito, very mataba. Yan. Kinat-cut ko lang. Ayun lang. Sarap ng buhay habang manonood ng tanggol sa aking mini TV. Yan yung mini TV ko. Diba? Kahusay. Pero meron ditong ordinador yung anak ko, kaya lang ayaw ibigay ang password at ayaw ipagamit. Yeah. Ayun, while she is cooking tusok-tusok french fries in the Philippines, it's fine. She is earning much now in the Philippines. But, tingnan mo nga naman. Marami na. Hanggang, anong oras na dyan? 6 na doon. You have 1 hour to left. Magsarado siya ng 7 eh. Sakto 7 ka ba nakakasara? Kaya nga, ganyan naman talaga kapag may tinda ka. Yung last minute ba merong papasok pa, sayang din nga naman. Kaya ayun lang everyone. Ito, try nyo ginger shots para sa mga immune system nyo, sa mga kasukasuan nyong masasakit, and so on and so forth. Ayan, ang na tulong ni Maricoy, si Happy Granny ba? Yan? Yung kanyang accounts. Just subscribe, Granny. Happy Granny. And then, yun, marami yung matututunan doon. So, yun lang everyone. At ako'y gutom na. Adios at magpapahinga pa ako. Bye at the moment. Ayan everyone. It's already 3:30 and it's raining. Ayan, tiny rain. So, I cannot open my umbrella because it's windy. So, babaliktad lang yung payong. Kaya tiis na lang muna hanggang sa see you after 2 trains everyone at Algate. Look everyone. Naiwan ako ng isang train, so may padating. Kaya dito lang. Dito na. Nalis ko yung salamin kasi umaambon. Ay, umulan, tiny. Nababasa. Ayan lang na. Ayan everyone, dito na ako. Labas na ako ng Algate Station, no? Umuulan din. Kumikirot yung paa ko. Ayan, dadaan ako sa Boots. Kasi ubos na yung aking panty liner. So, ayan. It's raining, pero ayaw kong bukas ng pari. Tiny lang yung patak. And waterproof ang lahat. Waterproof ako. Waterproof pati ang cellphone. Ay, natakpang ko. Sorry. Ayun lang, everyone. Maaga pa naman. Daan muna tayo ng Boots. Okay. See you later, everyone. Nakakatakot yung parang madulas. Ganda kasi dito dahil may malaki silang ganito, yung big XL 340, yung sa ganon. Ayun pala, ito always protect daily odor. Tapos rather than this one. 2 for 4 pounds. Ito 340 lang. Dito na tayo. Yun everyone. Tapos na ako ng 6 kanina pa. Pero at around 6:30 supposedly lumabas na ako, pero o mga 6:15. Pero hinintay ko yung dalawa kong colleague and I want to help them. But because there's a party on the first floor of the other canteen, but they said they're gonna finish at 8. Oh, it's too late, no? And then I'll receive the text of the building manager that go home, don't wait. Okay, so that's it. So now it's 7 o'clock. So see you after sorry. So see you after 2 and walking for 350 steps. Yeah, I'm here at the Algate station and it's windy as usual. There is a cold. Today is windy.
Yes, which one do you want?
And then that's it. That's it at the moment.
And then after the coffee,
Bye! Kaya yan everyone, unti. Pag gantong oras ka umuwi, alas 7. So, unti lang pasahero ng train. Pero pag kanina,
The next station is
kaninang 6:30, 6:15. Busy hour for the train. There's a lot of passenger. Halos hindi ka makaupo. So, I'd rather 7 makalabas. Yeah. Okay na, everyone. And tomorrow is Friday. Although I'm hungry. So, we're in Liverpool. Yeah. Dito maraming sasakay. Kaya ayun. Yun lang everyone. See you. Bye-bye. And later again. Ayan everyone. Good evening. It's 8:05. Kain tayo for dinner. Everyone, and then after an hour we're gonna sleep. Good night. God bless, and I love you. Dahil may pasok pa ulit tayo.